Ever felt the urge to break free from the concrete jungle and dive headfirst into a world of natural beauty and rich culture? Let me introduce you to Batanes, a gem tucked away in the northernmost part of the Philippines. This serene sanctuary is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine yourself in a place where rugged landscapes meet the eye at every turn. Picture rolling hills stretching as far as the eye can see, meeting the azure skies at the horizon. Envision picturesque coastlines where waves rhythmically kiss the shores, painting a scene that can steal even the most hardened heart. This is Batanes, a place where nature's artistry is on full display and tranquility is not just a state of mind, but a way of life. It's an invitation to experience the world in its raw, unspoiled beauty. If a tranquil escape to a land teeming with natural beauty and vibrant culture sounds appealing, then buckle up for a virtual journey to Batanes. Now imagine a place where adventure is not just an option, it's a way of life. Welcome to Batanes, a land that beckons with the promise of thrilling endeavors and unforgettable experiences. As you set foot in this northernmost province of the Philippines, the scent of adventure permeates the air, whispering tales of the rugged landscapes that lie in wait. Batanes, with its undulating hills and picturesque coastlines, is a haven for those who crave exploration. It's a place where every step is a journey, and every journey is a story waiting to be told. Think of hiking, for instance. The terrain here is as varied as it is challenging. The rolling hills offer a test for your endurance, while the jagged cliffs add a dash of thrill to your quest. But the rewards are worth every bead of sweat. Reach the summit and you're greeted with panoramic views of the vast Pacific Ocean, a sight so breathtaking that it will forever be etched in your memory. But that's not all. Batanes is also a paradise for biking enthusiasts. The well-paved roads winding through the lush landscapes provide a perfect setting for a bike ride. As you pedal along, the cool breeze whispers in your ears. The sun smiles down from the azure sky, and the stunning vistas of the surrounding landscapes fill your heart with awe. And then there are the coastlines, each more picturesque than the last. Imagine strolling along the sandy beaches, the waves crashing at your feet, the horizon painted with hues of the setting sun. Or if you're up for it, take a boat ride to explore the hidden coves and secret beaches, each a gem in its own right. In Batanes, each trail leads to an exciting discovery, and every ride unveils a breathtaking view. This is a place where adventure is the norm, where the mundane is replaced by the extraordinary, and where every day brings a new opportunity to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with nature all over again. But Batanes offers more than just natural wonders, it's also a cultural treasure trove. Let's delve a little deeper into the heart of Batanes, to a place where the past and the present converge seamlessly. The Iatan culture is a vibrant tapestry of traditions, values, and a lifestyle that has been carefully nurtured and preserved over centuries. This is a culture that's as rugged and breathtaking as the landscapes of Batanes itself. The Ivatans, the indigenous people of Batanes, are known for their warm hospitality and resilience. Living in a region prone to typhoons, their houses, called vahai, are built from stone and kogon grass, designed to withstand the harshest weather. These homes, much like the Ivatan people themselves, are a testament to resilience and adaptability. To immerse yourself in the Ivatan culture is to participate in their local traditions. One such tradition is the Kapaivanuvanua, a community gathering where stories, laughter, and wisdom are shared over a communal meal. This tradition fosters a deep sense of community and solidarity among the Ivatans. The Ivatans also have a rich tradition of weaving, with their vakul and kanai, traditional headgears made from indigenous plants, being the most renowned. These aren't just accessories, but symbols of the Ivatans' harmonious relationship with nature. Experiencing the Ivatan way of life also means tasting their unique cuisine. From uvud, a dish made from banana trunk, to paco, a local fern salad, Ivatan food is as unique and wholesome as the people themselves. And if you're lucky enough, you might even get to witness the Ivatan's traditional fishing methods, an art passed down through generations. From casting nets to beach sand fishing, these techniques are a testament to the Ivatan's sustainable way of life. So whether it's through sharing a meal, learning a craft, or simply exchanging stories, Immersing in the Ivatan culture offers a unique glimpse into a way of life that's been preserved and cherished over centuries. Immersing in the Ivatan culture is like stepping into a living museum, a rare opportunity to experience a culture preserved in time. And what's a journey without some delightful culinary adventures? As we navigate through the rolling hills and verdant landscapes of Batanes, a whole new world of flavors and aromas beckons us. This is a place where the sea kisses the land, where the winds whisper tales of yore, and where the generous earth offers its bounty in the form of fresh organic produce. This is a gastronomic journey through Batanes. Here the cuisine is as unique and diverse as the landscapes. Much of it is influenced by the sea that surrounds the islands. The sparkling waters of Batanes are teeming with a variety of seafood, all of which find their way into the local kitchens. From the humble fisherman's catch of the day to the more exotic offerings like lobsters and crabs, seafood is a staple in Batanes cuisine. The locals have mastered the art of preparing these sea treasures in a way that brings out their natural flavors. Grilled, stewed, or served raw as quinola, a local version of ceviche, these dishes are a testament to the freshness and quality of Batanese seafood. But it's not just about the bounty of the sea. The fertile soil of Batanes also contributes to the local cuisine. The island's farmers cultivate a variety of organic vegetables, using traditional methods passed down through generations. These fresh, pesticide-free veggies are then used to create a range of hearty, nutritious dishes that are as pleasing to the palate as they are to the eye. And then there's the unique dishes that set Batanes apart. Take, for instance, the uvud balls, a traditional Ivatan dish made from banana pith and minced fish. Or the loonies, a local version of pork adobo, which is cooked until the fat renders and the meat turns crispy. These dishes, steeped in tradition and bursting with flavors, are a gastronomic experience you won't soon forget. A trip to Batanes is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a banquet for the palate. Batanes is more than just a destination, it's an experience. A statement that rings true with every step taken on its rugged landscapes, every breath of its fresh sea air, and every interaction with its warm and welcoming people. Let's take a moment to reflect on the unique experiences that Batanes generously offers. It's a place where the great outdoors isn't just a backdrop, but a grand stage for unforgettable adventures. Imagine yourself hiking through verdant rolling hills as the wind whispers tales of the island's age-old history. Or perhaps cycling along the picturesque coastlines, each turn revealing a new breathtaking view that etches itself into your memory. But Batanes isn't just about the physical adventures, it's also a cultural journey that takes you into the heart of the Ivatan community. Their culture, deeply rooted in respect for the land and sea, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. Their traditional stone houses, built to withstand the test of time and elements, reflect their resilience and their strong sense of community. And their festivals, a vibrant spectacle of color and sound, are a celebration of their rich heritage and an invitation to join in their joy. And let's not forget about the gastronomic journey that awaits in Batanes. With the sea's bounty and the land's fertile soil, Batanes is a haven for food lovers. Here, meals are not just sustenance but a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Freshly caught fish grilled to perfection, vegetables harvested just hours before making their way to your plate, and the unique flavors of Ivatan cuisine that tell a story of the island's bounty and the people's ingenious ways of making the most of it. These elements, the adventure, the cultural immersion, and the gastronomic journey, come together to make Batanes a must-visit destination. But what truly sets Batanes apart isn't just its natural beauty or its culture, it's the transformative power of the Batanes experience. In Batanes, you don't just see places, you feel them. You don't just meet people, you connect with them. You don't just taste food, you savor it. And you don't just pass time, you make memories that will last a lifetime. Batanes, with its raw beauty and genuine warmth, offers an escape from the rush of city life. It's a place where you can slow down, breathe, and be present in the moment. It's a place where you challenge yourself, learn from others, and discover new perspectives. It's a place where you can delight your senses, feed your soul, and leave with a heart full of love for the land and its people. So if you're looking for a place to escape, to adventure, to immerse, and to delight your senses. Batanes awaits. Because in Batanes, you don't just visit, you live, you learn, and you love. And before we end this journey, let's make sure to continue to explore together. Like, share, and subscribe to the Explorer Passage channel to join us on more adventures and discover more about the world's most beautiful places. Stay curious, keep exploring,